vlog. I can't believe I almost missed this bus. This was from Borivali National Park, and my dumbass, despite of being 25 years in Mumbai, I got off it at like Borivali West instead of Borivali East. And after walking for 10 minutes, I'm like, नेशनल पार्क कितने दूर है भैया? Then he's like, वो तो ईस्ट में आता है, आप वेस्ट में कर रहे हैं. So yeah, got off, like I ran thanks to my running practice. और उसके बाद ईस्ट में उतरी, got a रिक्शा वाला and he's like 1 किलोमीटर का 50 rupees होगा. And I'm like, yes, why not? You deserve it. So I paid 50 rupees and finally I am bus.
2 hours later.
It is currently 2 in the morning. We are eating corn chaat. I don't know why I'm eating. I'm not even hungry, to be very honest. But I guess peer pressure पे मैंने खरीद लिया. But what if I have to shit in the morning? Like there is no arrangements for that, I suppose. I was definitely wrong. There was in fact arrangements, and look at me with my poha. Okay, we have finally reached the base village, and we'll start the trek now. It's not even a trek, to be very honest. These are just steps. I was not aware of it, but nevertheless, something new. Hi! Oh my god! Come with us. Come with us. Come with us. No. I am here at the capital of Maratha Empire, that is Raigad. This is my first time being here. I'm very excited and I'm very honored to be a part of such a spiritual and culturally important place of Maharashtra. For many of you who don't know what Raigad is, so this is basically the capital of Maratha Empire. और यहीं पे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का राज्याभिषेक हुआ था. So yeah.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की.
We have started with the steps. Wish us luck. These are, to be very exact, these are 1700 steps. Hopefully, we'll be able to finish them before the steps will be able to finish us. I don't know what happened to my English. Maybe I'll vlog this in Marathi. Maybe. And this is a new friend that I made. This Siddhi. She's a pro trekker. No, no, she's not a pro trekker. We are both not a pro trekker, but we are the only solo trekkers in this trip. So हाँ तो हम दोस्त बन गए. We formed an alliance, and I love this view. Just look at this view. I'm struggling, guys. You can hear it from my breath. I'm seriously struggling. This is not good. This is not good. Whoever is doing it, please stop. You can't ruin this view.
A few inches later.
Maybe 100 steps are done and 1600 more to go.
No, 10 भी नहीं हुआ.
10 भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक. मैं ट्रैक लीडर इज सेइंग कितना बाकी है और
अभी बहुत है. 2 घंटे का ट्रैक है.
Oh my god, he's lying, guys. I'm a pro trekker, I know. He's lying. 3 घंटे का ट्रैक बाकी है अभी. 3 घंटे का ट्रैक? नहीं, 2 घंटे का ब्लॉग. 2 घंटा. She is trekking without any shoes. Look at me, trekking with shoes and still barely able to make it, bro. The real strength of a Marathi lady. She does this with all that weight and we losers, we are not able to do anything. I think we should keep going. I love how windy it is, and now I'm not able to feel the temperature of my body, which is very hot right now. But I love it how the mountains make you forget how uncomfortable you are. I guess it's all worth it at the end of the day. I can't breathe. I can't talk like this. Donkey से कौन आया है बताओ पहले मेरे को. If you are using this, guys, very bad. See how hungry. Should I touch it? नहीं 500 हो गए. कितने हुए?
काउंट किया.
नहीं मेरे वॉच ने बोला. We are almost there guys. बस इतना सारा कवर करना है. Then we'll be at the fort. And इतना बड़ा है ये fort. And we have to be right there. I'm finally at the Mahadarwaja. This is basically halfway through the trek and I'm already tired. But yeah, one milestone completed and this is the view. It's so steep and it's too crowded. I don't know. Some official work is going on, but finally we have made it through Mukh Darwaja. Pravesh Dwar. Yes, Pravesh Dwar. I just ask random people because I don't know where my people are. I actually feel good right now. I mean this sunlight and ठंडी हवा. Can you imagine? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I just wish I had the endurance to do this every week. I would have ran and came here every damn week. I don't have no stuff to like say while I'm vlogging. Okay, fun fact. These staircases that you are seeing, it was rebuilt during the coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So Maharaj himself walked on these steps. So yeah. You can see I'm taking the historic route and that's everything Off Track with Sadie is all about. So if you want more such treks, do follow me and do let me know which trek should I go for the next one. I stay in Maharashtra, so maybe around Maharashtra first and then we can go north. We'll go north. With this endurance, I doubt it, but let's hope for the best. कितना टाइम बाकी और? आगे 10 मिनट.
10 मिनट लगेगा.
हाँ बोलना.
Lies. All the lies. थक गई हूँ मैं. मुझे रोना आ रहा है. And I got a patch. Hi. They are not saying hi to me. मेरे ब्लॉग में
तुम्ही याच्या अगोदर रायगड पाहिला असेल किंवा नसेल पण रायगड किल्ला आज आपल्या प्रत्यक्ष पाहायचा आहे. रायगडाचं मूळ नाव म्हटलं तर रायरीचा डोंगर आणि रायरी जावळी प्रांतामध्ये येते. आता जावळी प्रांत हे प्रतापगडाच्या पायथ्यापासून ते कोकण दिवेच्या उत्तरेपर्यंत आहे.
So just now you have seen how passionately the people of Raigad explain the history of Raigad, and so beautifully he explained everything that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has done for Raigad, for Maharashtra, and in fact for the entire India.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so.
We are at the main spot now, and this is where the Rajya Abhishek happened, and this is literally the place where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj himself walked. So I'm actually very proud to be here. And if you get a chance, if you're ever in Maharashtra, if you're planning a trek, let this be your first one. It's not that difficult, by the way. Okay, we are finally going to the Samadhi, After that Samadhi video, I'm going to end the vlog because my battery is so low. I know this is not how it's supposed to be. I'm supposed to show you the entire thing, but yeah, this is it. I'm about to reach the final stop, which is the mandir and then the Samadhi. I would like to end the video right here because my battery is dead. To be fair, I've been hiking for the past 5 hours, and this doesn't end. Like, bro, it's 1700 steps plus 2 hours of trekking on the fort because the fort is literally huge. Whatever fort you've been on, Harishchandragarh, Harihargarh, Pratapgarh, Sinhgarh, that's nothing though. This is the real deal. I'm tired. So if you like the vlog and if you didn't like the vlog, kindly please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog.